Hey everyone, I know more and more people are starting to receive their hotspots, and I wanted to share a great local antenna installer here in the Las Vegas area that's willing to install rooftop antennas for your helium hotspots for $150, all parts included. Now, if you have a unique situation, it might be a little more, but I'll give you the heads up before he starts to see if you want to proceed. Now, before I get started, here is his name and contact info, Chris Walker. Now, I'll put this up again at the end of the video as well. All right, here's what the antenna looks like on my roof. Chris made a custom mount that was included in the $150 fee. What he did was he came in through the attic, through one of the existing vents, which kept everything waterproof. And you can barely see the antenna from the street. So let me go ahead and zoom in to show you that it's actually there. Now, with regards to before and after results, here's what the unit was connecting to prior to having the antenna installed. And here's what it looked like after the antenna was installed. As far as the actual mining rewards, here's what the hotspot was doing prior to the antenna install, which was around the time of halving. And here's what it did after the antenna install. As you can see, in my case, it was significant. Now, as a disclaimer, results will vary depending upon location. This was just my personal experience. Now, the antenna I'm using is a 5.8 dBi gain antenna. You can find one in the iHub back office under Tools and Training Antennas. If you purchase a longer cable, the recommendation is to not go longer than 25 feet as the signal will start to degrade. Once again, here's Chris's contact info for those interested. Happy mining.